Samsung might be making an unexpected move with the S Pen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, something that could surprise fans but not in the best way. Reports suggest that Samsung could remove Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen, a feature that has set it apart since it was introduced with the Note 9. If this rumor is true, it would mean the loss of features like air gestures and using the S Pen as a remote control, which could be a disappointing shift for loyal users. The S Pen has always been a signature feature of the Galaxy Note series, now a staple of Samsung's Ultra lineup. It has set Samsung apart by offering an unparalleled stylus experience. You'd expect the Galaxy S25 Ultra to build on this legacy, yet it seems Samsung might be stepping back instead of forward. A credible tipster claims that the S25 Ultra's S Pen will lose Bluetooth functionality, citing information from retail sources. Without Bluetooth, features like snapping photos remotely, controlling slideshows, and executing gestures might be gone, unless Samsung incorporates alternative technology, like ultra-wideband, to fill the gap. If no substitute is planned, this change might feel like a downgrade. Why would Samsung make such a move? Cost-cutting seems to be the most plausible explanation. The company might have concluded that most users don't frequently use Bluetooth-based S Pen features, making it more cost-effective to eliminate them. However, it's worth noting that this tip comes from a single source, which is unusual given the number of leakers usually reporting on such matters. For now, treat this information as speculation. Thankfully, we won't have to wait long, as the Galaxy Unpacked event is less than 10 days away, where all will be revealed. Speaking of the Unpacked event, Samsung is offering some enticing perks for those who reserve the S25. By simply entering your name and email, no credit card required, you can get a $50 credit and a chance to win $5,000. Once pre-orders open, the credit can be applied, and trade-in deals or storage upgrades could save buyers up to $1,250. If you're considering upgrading, now might be the perfect time. On to the visuals. Official images and specs of the Galaxy S25 lineup have been leaked, showcasing this year's sleek design and color options. The S25 Ultra's standout hero color is titanium blue, while the S25 and S25 Plus feature icy blue and navy, respectively. Additional colors for the Ultra include titanium black, gray, white, and silver blue. A particularly stylish touch is the black variant with a contrasting silver frame. For those wanting even more variety, Samsung will offer exclusive online-only colors, though images for these haven't surfaced yet. Specifications-wise, there's little new to report except for one letdown. The base Galaxy S25 still starts at 128GB of storage. Rumors hinted at a 256GB base model, but this isn't happening globally. On the bright side, all models now include 12GB of RAM, with the Ultra offering up to 16GB for its higher storage variants. Samsung often includes free storage upgrades during pre-orders, so buyers may still get the best value. With so much anticipation, it'll be exciting to see what the Galaxy S25 lineup officially delivers. Stay tuned for updates.